I have a 2006 Chevrolet Equinox LS. I was on YouTube trying to find out about the heater coil to see if it could be replaced without taking out the whole dash. Every form that I've seen had the whole dash being taken out to replace the heater coil. But I'm here to tell you there's another way. What I did was, as you see here, I took out the driver's side panels and a little bit of the dash here where the radio is. Just took that out, and what I did, I just came underneath here and took out all the panels underneath here. And what you'll have to do here is you'll have to pull that cover off this side, the left side here, and that heater coil slide right out. You'll have to take the gas pedal out, and you'll have to loosen up the brake pedal also, and give it some slack, and it'll slide right out. But you will have to cut the lines and reconnect those with some rubber hoses, which is no problem. It'll be fine with that, but it'll save you hundreds of dollars, I'm telling you. Everybody I talked to, they said the whole dash had to come out, but that's not true. It does not have to come out. It can be done a different way. Stay tuned. I'll show you a little more as I progress. As y'all can see here, I have gotten the heater coil in. I just got to connect the pipes. I'm gonna take some rubber pipes and connect those, put some clamps on them, and connect them together, and it'll be fine. But the new heater coil is in without taking out the whole dash. As you can see here, I had to cut the pipes, but I will connect those back and put everything back together here. And this can be done without taking out the whole dash. Absolutely. I only took out what you see here. Just a little bit of this without taking out. And this is all I have to taken out is this, and I just put it right back. I'll put everything back, and I'll show you when I get everything back together. As you can see here, the heater coil is in. I have put some pieces of pipe. As I cut the pipes underneath here, I put some pieces in to fit it in. As you can see, I'm gonna show you here how I've got it in here. Now I put those pieces of pipes where I cut it to put it in from the side. Definitely had to cut those pipes. Put some rubber pipes in between, so I couldn't have got it in here. But you can do a heater coil job without taking out the whole dash. As you can see here, gas pedal has to be removed, and also the brake pedal has to be loosened up, but you can do it. As you can see here, I have taken out the side here, as you can see, and the radio cover. The dash is still intact, as you can see, and the heater coil is in here and completed. I will wrap everything up now. If you like what you watch, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come.